Now we have to discuss the problems based upon the circuit elements. So, this is the first problem. The strength of current in 4 Henry inductor, it changes at a rate of 5 amperes per second. Find the voltage across it and determine the magnitude of energy stored in the inductor after 2 seconds. Okay, before solving that, first we have to write the given data. Okay. Given data is what? The value of inductor is nothing but 4 Henry, and then the current is changes at a rate of 5 amperes per second, that is di by dt is given, which is equals to 5 amperes, and the time is given, that is 2 seconds. So, we all know that the voltage across it, that is VL, first one, VL is equals to L into di by dt, right, which is equals to, what is the value of L into rate of change of current is given, that is 5, which is equals to 20 volts, which is equals to 20 volts. This is the first one, voltage across it. Next, second one, we have to calculate the energy, that is energy, inductive energy, na? That is inductive energy. The element is inductor, no, that is why it called as inductive energy. W is equals to, we all know that half Li square, right. Given L is 4 Henry, but we do not have the value of current, but we have rate of change of current. So, from this di is equals to 5 dt, right. So, if we integrate this, I is equals to 5 t. If we integrate this, we have a relation, that is 5 I is equals to 5 t. So, given t is equals to 2 seconds, given t is equals to 2 seconds, therefore, I is equals to what? 5 into 2, which is equals to 10 amps, right. Then substitute this I value here. So, here we have half into 4 into 10 square, which is equals to what? 200 joules. This is the energy. Simple. First, write the given data, that is L is given as 4 Henry, the rate of change of current is 5 amperes, given time is 2 seconds. So, from this he want voltage across the inductor and energy stored in that, that is L into di by dt. Substitute the data which is given in the problem, that is 20 volts of voltage we have got. Then coming to the inductive energy of Li square, no, that is half into L is the value, that is 4 Henry, but we do not know the value of current. Then go to this relation, that is di by dt is nothing but 5 amps, no, that is di is equals to 5 dt. If we integrate this, we will get the relation, that is I equals to 5 t. Then substitute that time value, I is equals to 5 into 2, that is 10 amps of current we got. Then substitute this value here, we will get 200 joules of work, 200 joules of energy is consumed. Next one is, a capacitor has a capacitance of 10 microfarad. Calculate the stored energy in it if a DC voltage of 50 volts is applied across it. Okay. Then given data is what? Given capacitance value is nothing but 10 microfarad and the supply voltage is nothing but 50 volts. Calculate the stored energy. This is supply voltage, no? The energy can be stored only when the capacitor is fully charged. Then only the supply voltage should be equal to the capacitive voltage, right. When the capacitor is fully charged, then only the value of capacitor voltage should be equals to supply voltage. Therefore, Vs is equals to Vc. Then only the supply voltage should be equals to Vc, right? Now we have, if this condition satisfies, go for the calculation, otherwise not. Okay. That is energy stored in it, that is in capacitor, that is capacitive energy, we can call it as capacitive energy, which is equals to W is equals to half C V square. So, W is equals to half into, what is the value of C? 10 microfarad, that is 10 power minus 6 into C, V square, no, 50 square, which is equals to half into 10 power minus 5 into 2500. 20, this is minus 3, right, is 12.5 millijoules, 12.5 millijoules. The energy is 12.5 millijoules. So, like this you have to get the answers. Next, third problem is, a figure exhibits the voltage time profile of a source to charge a capacitor of 1000 microfarad. What is the charging current? What is the charging current? So, this is the voltage time profile. Okay. Here we have the time of 5 milliseconds and the voltage of 10 volts. He wants the charging current of the capacitor. So, given data is, what is that? C is equals to 1000 microfarad. So, he wants the charging current IC, that is IC is equals to C into dV by dt. So, we have C, but we do not have dV by dt. So, we will get this dV by dt from this voltage time profile. Okay. From the graph, dV by dt, which is equals to change in voltage from 0 to 10 is nothing but 10, change in time is nothing but 5, which is equals to 2 volts per millisecond, 2 volts per millisecond. So, we got this dV by dt, then substitute this value in this. So, IC is equals to, what is this, 1000 into 10 power minus 6 into dV by dt is nothing but what, 2 volts per milliseconds, that is 2 into 10, which is equals to what, 2 into 10 power 10 power minus 3 in the denominator, that is 10 cube volts per second, right. So, into 10 cube. So, IC is equals to this one and this 3 and this cancel. So, 2 amps of current, the charging current is 2 amps, the charging current is 2 amps. So, this is from this graph. So, next find the value of inductance that carries 2 amps and 20 joules of energy is stored. Find the value of capacitor with 500 volts across it, in which same amount of energy is stored. So, we have to calculate the value of inductance as well as capacitance, which carries the same amount of energy. So, given data I is equals to 2 amps, V is equals to 500 volts, and the energy is same. So, inductive energy as well as capacitive energy is same, that is inductive energy which is equals to capacitive energy which is equals to 20 joules. This is the given data. So, we all know that inductive energy which is equals to W is equals to half W L is equals to half L I square. From this we have to calculate L. So, L is equals to 2 omega W L by I square, that is it. From this inductive energy is equals to W L is equals to half L I square, right. From this L equals to what? 2 W L by I square. So, L is equals to what is the value of inductive energy? 20 by what is the value of current? 4, that is 4 5, that is L is equals to 10 Henry. Next, capacitive energy, that is W is equals to half C V square. From this C is equals to what? 2 W C by V square. So, C is equals to 2 into 20. What is the value of voltage? 500, no? 500 whole square. From this we have to get 1600 microfarad of capacitance value. So, from this we will get the value of inductor is 10 Henry and the value of the capacitor is 1600 microfarad. Now, we have to discuss this beautiful problem. Why this is beautiful problem? After solving this, you will get the idea. Okay? So, the current and voltage profile of an element versus time has been shown in the figure. Determine the element and its value. So, he provided the voltage versus time as well as current versus time profiles. So, based upon these profiles, we have to get the element name and the value of that element. Okay? So, basically we have 3 types of elements, no? Resistor, inductor and capacitor. So, first we have to deal with resistor. A solution. See, from this current and time profile or voltage and time profile, we are not getting any proportionality between these two. Means, if the element is resistor, what is the key point? In accordance with the voltage, obviously the current should changes, no? So, from these two figures, can we get that observation? Obviously not. So, from voltage time and current time profiles, the relation between voltage and current is not proportional to each other. Therefore, the element is not resistor. Therefore, the element is not resistor. Then, so it is clear the element is not resistor. The next observation. So, from these two, here after 5 milliseconds the amount of voltage is 0, right. After 5 milliseconds the amount of voltage is 0, means after some time the voltage is 0, means it acts as short circuited. from this voltage time profile. After some time the voltage is 0, means it acts as short circuited. Then which element is acts as short circuited after some time, you have to analyze. With that, see this, at this instant, means at the instant of switching, what is the value of current here? 0. After 5 milliseconds, at 5 milliseconds we are having the current of 1 ampere, but at the instant of switching the current is 0, right? When t is equals to 0 here, when t is equals to 0, the current is also 0. When t is equals to 0, the current is also 0, right? Means, then tell me, the current at the instant of switching the current is 0, it acts as open circuited, as well as from this voltage time profile after 5 milliseconds the voltage is 0, it acts as what? Short circuited. So, from these two observations the element is, think. Meanwhile, I have to write something here. From voltage time profile after 5 milliseconds the voltage is suddenly be 0, suddenly be 0. Therefore, it acts as short circuited. Therefore, it acts as short circuited. That means the element is not capacitor. That means the element is not capacitor. After some time the voltage is 0, it acts as short circuited, means what? The element is not at all capacitor. From current and time profile, at t is equals to 0, the value of current is 0. At this instant the value of current is also 0, means that means at the instant of switching, at the instant of switching, it acts as open circuited, it acts as open circuited. Therefore, from the above conclusions, the element is inductor. The element is inductor only. The element is inductor only. Now, we have to calculate the value of inductor. So, from this di by dt is nothing but what? 1 by 5 milliseconds, right? From current and time profile, di by dt is equals to 1 by 5 ampere per, which is equals to 0.2 into 10 cube amperes per second, 0.2 into 10 cube amperes per second. And what is the value of voltage? Voltage V is equals to 2 volts, that is nothing but initial value. Initial value. So, We all know that V equals to L into di by dt. From this, L is equals to V by di by dt, which is equals to, what is the voltage? 2 by di by dt is nothing but what? 0.2 into 10 cube, that is 10 millihenry. The answer is 10 millihenry of inductance. The next problem is a capacitor of 20 microfarad stores 30 millijoules of energy. Obtain the amount of charge stored in it. How much time does it take to build up this charge if the charging current is 1.1 amps? So, first we have to calculate the charge and then calculate the time which is required to store the charge which is having 1.1 amperes of current. So, from this given data, C is equals to 20 microfarad, and what is that energy? Inductive energy, no? Yes, sir, capacitive energy. WC is equals to 30 millijoules, and the given current is nothing but what? 1.1 amps. We all know that the capacitive energy is nothing but half CV square, and we know that Q is equals to CV. Q is equals to CV. From this, V is equals to what? Q by C. Then substitute this V value into this. So, from this we will get omega C is equals to, sorry, WC is equals to, from this WC is equals to half into C into Q square by C square. So, finally, we have what? WC is equals to half Q square by C. Okay. Obtain the amount of charge. From this we have to calculate Q. Q is equals to what? Square root of 2C capacitive energy. This is the formula. Then what is the value of Q, which is equals to 2 into, what is the value of C? 20 into 10 power minus 6 into WC, it is 30 millijoules. So, after solving this, we will get Q as 1.1 into 10 power minus 3 coulombs. We all know that, we know that I is equals to Q by T, right? From this, T is equals to Q by I. So, therefore, T is equals to, what is the value of 1.1 into 10 power minus 3 by current is what? 1.1, which is equals to 1 millisecond. The current, required current is 1 millisecond. Okay. Next, a current of I is equals to 200 T is suddenly applied to an inductance of 20 millihenry. Find the induced voltage. What would be the induced voltage if a DC current of 50 amps is applied suddenly? We have two cases. Given data is what? I is equals to 200 T and L is equals to what? 20 millihenry. Find the induced voltage. So, case 1. Case 1, induced voltage VL is equals to L into di by dt. Therefore, VL is equals to, what is the value of L? 20 into 10 power minus 3 into d by dt of 200 T, which is equals to 20 into 10 power minus 3 into differentiation of 200 T is nothing but 200. From this we will get VL is equals to simply 4 volts. So, up to this The answer is 4 volts. Then what would be the induced voltage if a DC current of 50 amps is applied suddenly? That is case 2. I is equals to 50 amps applied instantaneously. What would happen? VL is equals to L into di by dt, which is equals to, what is the value of L? 20 into 10 power minus 3 into d by dt of 50. What is this? D by dt of 50 should be equals to what? 0. So, therefore, VL should be equals to 0 volts. Last problem, that is ith one. The voltage across an inductor is given by V of t is equals to t into e power minus t. Obtain the expression for current when t is equals to 3 seconds. Obtain the value of current, not expression, value of current when t is equals to 3 seconds. Assume L equals to 100 millihenry. So, given data is what? Given voltage is equals to t into e power minus t and given time is equals to 3 seconds and L is equals to 100 millihenry. Okay. So, we all know that the current through any inductor is I is equals to 1 by L integral V dt, right, and put the limits 0 to t, 1 by L integral 0 to t V dt. So, from this I is equals to 1 by L integral 0 to t, what is the value of V of t into dt? Is nothing but t into e power minus t dt. So, from this I equals to 1 by L, integration of this t into e power minus t is nothing but minus e power minus t, t plus 1, 0 to t. So, from this 1 by L, you are going to get e power minus t, it is better to write 1 minus e power minus t plus t into e power minus t, or you can get minus. Okay. This is we got 1 by L into 1 minus e power minus t into e power minus t. Okay. So, here we have to substitute I is equals to 1 by L is what? L is 100 millihenry. So, 1 by 100 into 10 power minus 3, that is 1 by minus t is minus 3 into e power minus 3. From this I is equals to, which is 1 by 0.1, which is nothing but 10 into 1 minus e power minus 3 into e power minus 3. From this we got 8 amperes of current. The current is 8 amperes.